Okay, we are live now. Hi all. Hi. People are slowly joining. So I can see that people are joining. So let's wait for some more time. And yes, let's wait for the people to join. I can see that Rihan Malik is here. DBA. Okay, DBA is here. Dilip is here. Hi all. Hope you all are doing great. Okay, so let's slowly people join and we will see like what exactly today's topic will be, right? So today's topic will be your DevOps and SRE projects for fresher and experienced, because we wanted to know like why this is important. What are the projects you need to keep basically to make sure that you are overcoming your interview, right? And your selection criteria should be overcome, right? So that is what the first agenda will be, and the second agenda is we'll be talking with everyone today. So basically, those who have registered for 6.0 as well as not from 6.0. So we will be interacting with you all. But primary agenda will be like the projects we'll be looking at, like as a fresher, as an experience, what you need to keep in your resume to overcome. At least your resume should be getting selected, right? So that is what the first thing is. So let's get started. Before that, very hi to everyone and thank you for joining. And people on LinkedIn, please let me know any questions you have. People on LinkedIn, are you all there? Like, I don't know, like how many people are there. So let me see right away how many people are here on LinkedIn. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I'm not able to still see the live count. Let me see. Okay, 50 plus people are here with me on LinkedIn. That's really great. And yes, so yes, thank you all for joining. So let's discuss about what are the important things that you would be looking at. And within 5 minutes, within 10 minutes, we'll be looking at like what exactly you as a person needs to have. Yes, Pardhu, we have already requested, we have sent an email also. Please check that. Please check that and send an email back to the team with your new email ID, right? Please send your new email ID. Okay. So let's discuss like what exactly we are going to do. Let me share my screen. I'll be sharing my entire screen and I'll be telling you like what exactly today's agenda is all about, like what exactly we are going to do today. So very important topic and one of the most beautiful topics, I would say, right? So yes, you all see that this is all your pointers. So let's discuss about what are we going to see today, right? So today's topic will be your projects, right, for your resume, right? So when I talk about projects, very importantly, what are the projects that you are going to keep in your resume? With that, your selection criteria is increased, right? Selection percentage is increased. So this is what your today's agenda will be. Point number one and point number two is we'll be discussing on what are your doubts. So basically, the Q&A we will be discussing with the 6.0 students at the same time. Non-prime students also, we will be talking about all of them. Okay, all of your questions will be taken. So let's discuss about like what are the projects. So very honestly, guys, I'll be dividing based on the years of experience. Okay, one of the important thing which we need to have is years of experience. Okay, so now how many pages of resume you need to keep and how many projects you need to keep based on the years of experience are one of the important thing. And many of the people come to me with a DM like, okay Praveen, I have only 2 years of experience, how many projects I keep? Okay Praveen, I have no experience, how many projects I need to keep? So I will be giving a tabular format today. So this tabular format will be years of experience, and this is not given by me, this is given by my old students. They have tried and tested this and they were able to succeed. So please make sure you are following this. Years of experience, total number of pages of resume, okay, and the total number of projects you need to keep in the resume, right? So I hope I am making it sense, right? Is it clear like what are we going to do today? Yes, are you all clear like what exactly we are going to do today, right? I hope you all are able to understand, right? Now you need to understand like, yes, you need to understand like what are the important factors. Like many, tell me one thing, how many are freshers here? and give your years of experience. How many of you are fresher? How many of you are experienced? How many of you are at managerial level? Please give your years of experience. Let's see. Let's see. How many of you are freshers here? Patrudu is fresher. Bharat is fresher. People on LinkedIn, like fresher experience. Like what is your criteria? Based on that, I can go in deep about that. Fresher. Manoj is fresher. Bharat is fresher. Suvarna is fresher. What about people on LinkedIn? Actually, I had no experience. Okay, that's good. You are considered as a fresher. Bharat is having 7 years, right? So 1.8 years Kushal is having, and people on LinkedIn are very much silent. Crypto nerd is having 10 years of experience, right? Yes, experience 5 years. So people are from various domains, various experience. People on LinkedIn, guys, I please type something so that I can know your name at least, right? And I can call you out by name. Nan is having 2 years of experience, 1.8, 3 years, 2.3 years, 4 years, 15 years, and all those things. So experience in QA, experience but not in DevOps, right? So you all have different kinds of experience. Yes, Kirtana is having 4 years experience, right? 5 years experience. Yes. So now you need to understand like 15 years of experience, right? So all these people who are with me at 0 to 1 year of experience, please take a note that you need to have 1 page resume, right? Very importantly, you need to have 1 page resume. Don't go beyond that, because people will be again asking like how you have done projects and all. And total number of projects you can keep is 1 project, which consists of your entire CI/CD plus Kubernetes. Okay, this is one of the biggest project which you can keep as 0 to 1 year of experience. Don't keep any other project. CI/CD means integration of all the tools, starting from your Jenkins, SonarQube, Maven, Docker, Helm, Kubernetes, monitoring, all the tools. The end-to-end tools should be here in the CI/CD plus Kubernetes project. Right now, coming on to years of experience, let's take like 2 to 5 years of experience. If I talk about, you can have 2 page of resume and you can have 2 projects. Now, when I talk about 2 projects, what are the 2 projects you can keep? Is the first one is CI/CD plus Kubernetes plus monitoring. This is the entire 1 project where we will be covering CI/CD deployments onto Kubernetes clusters, the monitoring of those services, how it has got deployed. At the same time, you can have one more project which is based on your you can consider like there are many set of projects, but we will be targeting like automations, right? So automations, you can again have here the shell automation, the Python automations. I mean, purely an automation guy. Python automations, your Groovy automations, right? So all those automations, your REST API automations, very important. So the second project you can completely keep on the automation terms, and obviously you can add some cloud related project also. When I talk about cloud, you can have AWS or Azure or GCP, right? Am I making sense, guys? Any questions here? Like, what are the projects you need to keep? What are the projects you need to keep when you are coming from a fresher background, from an experienced background? I hope you are able to understand, right? Like this particular table which I'm showing right now is very much important, because as you go ahead, you will be able to understand like what are the importance of these things. Are you all understanding what we are talking, guys? Yes or no? So this is years of experience, this is number of page of resume, and this is basically what are the projects you need to keep when you are at 0 to 1 year of experience, when you are at 2 to 5 years of experience. And we will be talking about next people also. Now tell me, are you clear with this? What projects we are going to keep in our resume? Are you clear, guys? Give me a yes. Yes. And obviously, guys, this all projects are covered in 6.0. You don't need to worry. Okay. So I'm just giving an highlight, and I will be talking with everyone, those who are present here. So you don't need to worry about what the projects, where to learn, how to learn, and all those things. I'll be telling all those projects and years of experience. I am dividing before the classes so that you understand what is the importance of each projects that we are going to do in 6.0 batch. Okay. Now, shall we go to the 5+ years of experience? Like, for my experience, how many pages of resume I need to have? Shall we see, guys? Yes. Shall we see? Shall we see, like, for a 5 years experience, right? How many projects you need to keep? What are the pages of resume you need to have? Shall we see? Give me a yes. Those who are experienced people, like 5 to 10 years of experience, what kind of projects you as a person can keep it? What kind of challenges you can keep it in your resume, right? Yes, 8+ years also we will be seeing, like 5 to 10 years. Like, let's think like this. I am 8 years experience. Like, what are my projects? What are my projects that will help me to go over the job search criteria, to go over the job search pattern? Let's see now. Let's drill down over that. And please, guys, please write and make it a note, because I will be scrolling ahead and you will not be able to see like what I am talking about. Let's see here, like the number of years of experience is 6 to 11 years of experience. Now, when you are 6+ years of experience, you will be considering like a team lead. Okay, team lead. Now here, when you are considered like a team lead, and here you are a developer, okay, developer, DevOps developer, and you are here, you are a fresher. Okay, fresher or internship. Now when you are going as a team lead, you need to have at least of minimum of 3-page resume, because mine is 3-page resume, and which has helped me to crack many job offers in the last few months. So guys, please have 3-page resume when you are 6 to 11 years of experience. And team lead, guys, you are acting, or you are going to act in the coming years as a team lead. So make sure at least you have 2 to 3 page of resume. And what you need to keep in this 2 to 3 page of resume is basically 3 projects. Now let's go deep dive into the 3 projects. First fun project is CI/CD plus Kubernetes plus monitoring, where you will be able to see what are the things that you are going to end-to-end deployment. Basically, the next project will be based on your SRE principles, where you will be doing the entire, maybe your Kubernetes monitoring, your application monitoring, right? Your load test, your performance test, and all those things. Basically, SRE principles, because when you go as a lead, you should be able to understand what is an SRE, what is an DevOps. So this project, we can take it as a DevOps, and this project, we can take it as an SRE. Apart from this, you need to have automations on a higher level. Let's say like Terraform, you need to have Python coding, you need to have here, right? Also, you need to have production issues, you should be able to handle. At the same time, the third project should be the cloud migration, AWS cloud migration project, which is very much important. Like from on-prem, how you have migrated your project to cloud, right? So I hope I'm making it sense. For 6 to 11 years of experience, are you clear like what exactly we are going to do? Yes, 6 to 10 years, 11 years. Is it clear like what I'm talking? Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Like, am I making sense? How many of you say that yes, Praveen, you are making sense? Yes, how many of you say that yes, Praveen? I think yes, I am falling in the 0 to 1 years of bracket. I am falling in 3 years to 5 years of bracket. I am falling in 5 to 10 years of bracket. Yes, I think that Terraform is important, automations are important, and little bit of on-premise to cloud migration is also important, right? So how many freshers do you think? What about people on LinkedIn? Like, I'm very much concerned about LinkedIn people, because they are very much silent, and little bit they feel that okay, abhi type karna hai ki nahi. So always they think about that notion, and I see that almost 64 people are with me on LinkedIn. You all can see people are telling like Jayant is there, Anil is there, Vishal is there, Prakhar has also joined. So I see that many people are here. So very glad to know that whatever we are talking about is making sense to you, right? Yes, you all are telling yes, Praveen, it's making sense. Yes. Okay, that's great. So let's talk about next things, which is managerial level. Now, how many of you are manager here? Let me see, like how many of you are managers at present? At present, how many of you are managers? Yes, Anil Kumar Rajnidhi is manager. How many of you are manager? Yes, package range. Very beautiful, Prince. So, okay, manager. Kushal is also manager. Okay. Now, anyone else is manager here who is actually leading a team and willing to upskill yourself? Yes, anyone is here? Anyone is here? Like they want to upskill themselves. They want to know that, okay, Praveen, there's all things. Ajit is also here. Okay. Now, don't leave the class, because we are going to discuss about packages also. Like one of the important things, how much packages you will get if you are following. And these all things are based on my previous batch students, 5.0, 4.0, 3.0, 2.0, and 1.0, obviously, right? So we'll be talking about packages, but let me complete on the managerial terms, like who is a manager and how much pages of resume he can keep it. Like 12+ years of experience comes under managerial role, and you can have a beautiful, cute resume of 2 to 3 pages. Why I told cute pages means when you become manager, you will be dumping all your projects of last 12 to 15 years. So how this projects you have to keep is basically, you have to keep these projects in keeping the mind of leadership qualities. You have to keep these projects in keeping the mind of you acting as a vocal leader, you acting as a maybe director of the organization. You are working on cost optimization. Okay, cost optimization. You are working on directioning the project, directioning, giving the direction to the project, by the way, right? And at the same time, you are also working on various kinds of issues, right? At the same time, budget allocation, right? Budget allocations, very much important, because suppose you as a manager get 10 rupees, how you divide among the people that you are that those are in your team, right? Suppose a manager gets 10 rupees to him, he will be dividing each one 2 rupees if his team is having 5 members, right? 1 2 3 4 5, and each one will be given 2 rupees each, right? And probably the manager would have got 20 rupees to him, 10 rupees he will keep with him, and remaining 10 rupees he will be distributing 2 2 2 2. Am I making sense? How the budget allocation you need to be understanding when you are going to the higher levels. At the same time, you can keep some of the projects which are taken from here. Obviously you have to keep it, right? So tell me, am I making sense on what is your plan now? Am I making sense? Am I making sense, guys? That okay, Praveen, now you have told these things. Yes, it is making sense, right? When you become a manager, you need to have cost optimization ability, budget allocation ability, and also making sure that you are knowing the previous projects which I have told to the 6 to 10 years of experience. Now, shall we discuss about the packages in this diagram which I have which I have wrote it? Shall we discuss the packages of these 0 to 1 year of experience? How much packages you can ask in 2024? Let's think like this, and let's ask like, okay, what are the packages that I can ask? Very important. Let's discuss about the packages, guys. Don't leave the class, because at the end, for the manager, you will be knowing like what is the exact package that you are going to get from this particular thing. Yes, shall we see the package? Now, based on the previous batch students, I am giving the packages. And again, it depends on skills, ability, and your sustainability in the market. Okay, you need to sell yourself to the best so that people give you the best package. Shall we see the packages? Shall I reveal the packages of 0 to 1 year of experience? What might be the package? How many of you say yes? Shall we reveal the packages? Shall we reveal the packages? Go ahead. Shall we reveal the packages? Yes, that is what we are trying to get, right? From the entire ecosystem of human being life. We want good salary, right? We want to go over various things, right? Obviously, that is our need, right? That is our need, like how we are going to survive and what is the best package we are going to get. People on LinkedIn, are you not agreeing? You all are here to get good package. Yes. Tamil Nadu, yes. Arjunan, great. Yes, happy. Some people for yes, we all are working for good packages, right? So yes, people on LinkedIn are very, again, like I'm not sure. Shubham Shastri is telling yes. Okay, let's see. Like for 0, okay, according to you, for 0 to 1 year of experience, what can be the package? You tell me the guess, and I will be giving you that. Okay, this is the correct package that you have told to 0 to 1 year of experience. Now go ahead and type in the chat. What do you think for 0 to 1 year of experience? And I can give the answer also. Yes, what is that you feel that for 0 to 1 year of experience? Let's keep like this: 0 to 1 year of experience. What is the package? Let's think like this. Yes, what is the package for 0 to 1 year of experience? What do you think? What do you think? 5 to 10 lakhs, 3 to 5 LPA as a fresher? Any guesses? 3 to 5 LPA? Okay, any other guesses? 4 to 5 LPA? Any other things? Would you mind like going beyond 5 LPA? Why you are stopping at 5 LPA? Why you are stopping at 3 LPA? Can we go a little bit beyond? Like, can we think like 10 LPA? 10 LPA? Can we think 10 LPA as a target? Let's assume that. Can we think as 10 LPA? 4 to 6 LPA? Okay, chalo, at least कोई तो बोला यार 4 to 6 LPA है. Can we target as 10 LPA? 8 to 10? Okay. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. 8 to 10 LPA, 10 LPA. Let's think like this. 6 to 9 is our mediate. Like what we are trying to get is 6 to 10 LPA. For service-based organization, there is a package range of 0 to 5 LPA, service-based. And for a product based, it is somewhere around 6 to 12 LPA. Okay. And it can go beyond that also. And my fresher of highest package has been up to 23 LPA in Zynga. And I have the chat with me also, like how we were discussing. So freshers, if you are getting placed in product based organization like Zynga, 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 Walmart, Amazon, Flipkart, these packages are beyond like 15 LPA as minimum you can get it. Okay. So there is no range, right? Now, for the 2 to 5 years of experience, what is the package range? Now tell me, for the 2 to 5 years of experience, what do you think that it's a package range? What do you think? What do you think that for 2 to 5 years of experience, let's now hide it and let me make it 2 to 5 years of experience. What is the package? What is the current package anyone can expect for 2 to 5 years of experience? Like, you all tell me, I will be happy to listen. And again, I will be taking, like, in next 2 to 3 minutes, we'll be completing this flow chart. You all can take the screenshots of whatever we have discussed, and then we will be going into the live Q&A. Okay. So what do you think? All of you, give me in your chat, what do you think for 2 to 5 years of experience? And I will be telling 2 to 5 years, 15 to 30 LPA, 35 LPA, 20 to 25 LPA. Anything else? Do you think that? Yes. Anything else? 10 to 32 LPA. Okay. Now, I don't know like why people are giving 30 LPAs, right? Guys, for reaching 30 LPA when you are at 5 years of experience, how much hard work you need to keep in? Any assumption on that? For freshers, you told this, but I'm not sure why you are telling 30 LPA. It's a very big deal to get it. For 5 years of experience, right? In a product-based organization. Again, here the division is, for a service-based organization, you can target anything around 6 to 15 LPA, right? I mean, here again, it depends. Okay. Service-based 6 to 15, and it can go up to 20 LPA. And for a product-based organization, it can go up to 15 to 28 and close to 30 LPA. Okay. It's correct. Whatever you have told us, absolutely correct. Okay. Now let's discuss about, and my students have got around this package only. They were not able to go beyond this. And it's very fact that for 6 to 11 years of experience. Now, what do you think that for a 6 to 11 years of experience, what might be the package, both in service-based organization and the product-based organization? Now, you all have to tell me that, okay, Praveen, for a 6 to 11 years of experience, what can be the package? What can be the package of 6 to 11 years of experience? What is the DevOps package in 2024? What can be the package? What can be the package? What can be the package for 6 to 11 years of experience? People on LinkedIn, what do you think that for 6 to 11 years of experience, just a rough guess, if you are able to watch me, if you are able to understand that, okay, it is the package, anything around like 6 to 11 years of experience. 7 crore is 7 crore is a big deal. No one will get, right? 7 crore, more than 40 LPA, more than 40 LPA. I guess 30 to 40 LPA. Shubham Shastri, 40 LPA. Okay, 50 LPA. Okay. Okay. Any other guesses? Any other guesses who can consider that? Like, okay, Praveen, for 6 to 11 years of experience, we can consider this kind of package. Any other things? 30 to 50. Okay, let's consider that 30 to 50 is your average salary range. Okay, so 30 to 50 LPA is your average salary range of 6 to 11 years of experience, and it can go ahead up to max up to 70 LPA. Okay, if you are working in a very good top product based organization, the chances of you going ahead into the 70 LPA bracket is good. Okay, and for 12 plus years of experience, I will not ask, it's obviously 70 plus LPA. Okay, and I'm damn sure that many people are here who are below this brackets. This is only on the assumptions. What? Okay, I didn't have any students who have cracked 70 LPA as of now. All my students are in this bracket as of now. So next target is like 40 plus LPA, which I'm going to try from the 6.0 batch. So guys, I want everyone to take the screenshot of this, right? All of you take the screenshot of this. Okay, 8:29 p.m. the time is. I will give you 30 seconds to take the screenshot and keep it with you. And also, once you have taken the screenshot, you can tag me on the LinkedIn, right? And you can ask your friends whether this is correct or not. And by suppose, if anyone is telling and opposing you that, okay, this is not the correct way, this is wrong way, then you can cross check with them, because they would have given recent interviews and all those things. And by that way, you will find that, yes, This is the current package in the market scenario. All of you have taken the screenshots? Yes. All of you have taken the screenshots, guys? Yes or no? All of you have taken the screenshots? Guys, bhai log, behan log, why no response? 20 LP in UK. Yes. Okay. Now, shall we move ahead to, yes, you all are telling now, Suvarna, right? Arjunan, right? RMG DBA. Okay. So now time is now 8:30 p.m. guys. Okay. Time is now 8:30 p.m. I will be taking all your Q&A now. So all of you can put your Q&A on the chat. What is your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Any questions you want to talk with me, speak with me, please go ahead. And especially those who are looking to join the Prime Batch 6.0, enrollments are still open, and we are trying to increase as much as possible the additions into this batch. So as you can understand, from Prime Batch 5.0 to 6.0, total different concepts, the class notes will be given to you, and most of the important things like commands, basic commands, we are giving this time to you. Very important things. The notes have been enhanced from the previous 5 batches. The class notes, every command you will get a class note, every description you will get a class note, and along with that you are going to get all the Linux based class notes, Kubernetes based class notes, Docker based class notes. So this batch is, we are targeting more freshers. I want freshers to get placed from the 6.0, right? So let's see like how it goes. So okay, let's go with your questions. Hey Praveen, I want to join your DevOps. Could you please provide guidance on career gap? I'm 2016 BTech passed out. See guys, for career gap, we will be trying very heartfully whatever the projects we'll be learning from 6.0, whatever the assumptions that we are going to take from the 6.0, whatever the learnings we are going to from the 6.0, we'll be keeping all those things, and rest all will keep on God, right? For 6 years gap, for 7 years gap, we can't do anything, right? And I cannot tell few of the things which I cannot tell on live, right? So I think that should be making sense. Sir, I have 4.6 years of experience in application support, and I want to shift to cloud in DevOps, and current package is 7.LPA. Then how much package I can expect? So 4.6 years of experience, zindagi na milegi dobara. You can go ahead and see this chart which we have prepared for you. So you are falling under the bracket of 4 to 6 years of experience, something between this, and you can target, as of now you have 7.5, you can target around 15 to 20 LPA. In between this you can target. Okay, zindagi na milegi dobara. Enrolled in 6.0, I am from Europe, so joining live might be hard. 4:30 a.m. daily. And you crypto, you can understand that I had students from various batches, and people have joined from Canada, USA. So they were able to, Nigeria also, you would have seen the YouTube video. So please make the time and try to possibly join the live sessions. Hi sir, what are the projects you have provided in Prime Batch 6.0? So that is what we are we are going to see here. So let me take you all to Prime Batch 6.0. Basically, these all projects, whatever we are going to discuss, are here, guys. So Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, shared library pipeline, Docker projects, Kubernetes deployment on EKS, 3-tier architecture, microservice deployment, Kubernetes Istio, 𝐂𝐨𝐿𝐿 monitoring, Python real-time programming, chatbot automation, shell scripting, Kubernetes cluster and pod container, AWS architecture, creation with Terraform, 3-tier architecture. And from all of this, you can select 3 projects and keep it in your resume. We'll be giving the roles and responsibilities documents also for 4 important projects, whatever you are seeing here. Kubernetes cluster and pod container monitoring with Grafana and Prometheus, Helm charts, and whatever the projects you are able to see here, we are going to cover the same projects. Whatever I have told you, you can see here, this all projects, whatever I am telling, these all projects are going to get covered in the 6.0, right? Apart from that, if you want to see the student placements, please see here, guys, the students placement from 5.0 all over the world, and how the students have got 40 plus LPA. You can see we have community managers also. So we create every time community managers. So you see Sandeep from community manager got placed in Bank of America. He got laid off. Debashish got laid off. And this is basically the Hey DevOps community page. This is basically, I got an email. This is basically the Debashish. And you can see here with 5 years gap, my student has got placed, and it was with luck, right? So I cannot tell everyone with a career gap will get a job. It was with luck. Adobe 30 plus LPA, Megha Kumari. So she's giving the 30 plus LPA. Prashant Goswami as a fresher got almost like for 5.5 LPA he got as a first offer, right? And many people, Amazon cloud support engineer role, right? And he's telling I got an offer. And you see, we are congratulating mother of a kid. For my baby's sake, I need to come back from Pune to Bangalore. I am worrying too much. Please help going on into depression. And she told immediately that I got an offer from third party for Walmart for 𝐂𝐨𝐿 engineering, right? So that is how we back up the students, and that is how we make sure that our students are getting placed into good top product based organization. And the only thing is how you are coping up with 14 plus projects is on you. Suppose you think that, Praveen, whether I will be able to complete or not, then definitely this access of validity is 2 years. You will be getting class recordings. Class timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. doubts clearing session, and just 9 days, 8 days, you have 1 week left to start the classes. And guys, we are going to increase the price from 4,550 to the next pricing segment. We are going to keep it. And if anyone is interested in enrolling, I know many of my 6.0 students are here. Yes, Prasanna, I know many of my 6.0 students are here, and I'm glad that you all are behind a step. You all are above one step, I would say, right, from the rest of the students. Yes, Mac, we are not going to use laptop. We will be using our own Jira portal. All of you see here, Singham, or what is that? Singham Atlassian. All of you see here, we will be creating our own Jira portals in 6.0 batch. And if you see here, this is our own Jira portal. We will be doing all the automations here. Now, going ahead, you will be seeing like singham.atlassian.net. And with your name, we are going to create a Jira portal where in the project, we will be doing the automation. Now you see here, all of you see here, there will be some automations here, shell scripting automations and Jira portal creation. Individual person will be creating the Jira portal with me. So you can see here, this is my Jira portal, and probably we will be playing with the REST endpoints also. As of now, you can see here, this issue is not available. So the REST endpoint is not giving me any value. Let's see, like SA4, if I give SA4 also, okay, permission denied. So basically I have not logged in and I am trying to hit the REST endpoint. So guys, you see how we are tackling the projects in real time. That is what we are going to do in 6.0, right? So basically all these things, I would like to tell you, we are going to prepare you on the real time basis. Either you can see here, or I will be telling like big JSON editor data, we are going to catch it. And in the Kubernetes real time project, if you see, we'll be purely working on 3 microservices, not this one, 3 microservices, where each of the microservice will be talking with other microservices, right? So I hope you are making it clear. Hi Praveen, how about someone who just got started into ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library? If I will be getting placed into DevOps, how would that be useful transitioning? So basically, Sonia, one small thing is, if you are able to cope up with the projects, if you think that yes, Praveen is going to give me the real-time projects and I will be the one who is standing on the placement stories with Praveen, then definitely you can enroll yourself. No one is going to stop you. And whatever we tell is based on real time, guys. See, some people will give fake reviews here. Some people are there who give who just prepare their own reviews and they keep it. But if you see, this is WhatsApp community managers post. This is our Hey DevOps community page post. And we have many places where actually we are trying to come out of that, right? So we are giving genuine statements from the students, right? Now who will give like, for my baby's sakes, I'm going into depression, right? So we helped her and got her placed into Walmart as 𝐂𝐨𝐿 engineer, right? So I think I'm able to tell all the positive things. And definitely, Sonia, you can enroll. And yes, Kirtana is telling, hi Praveen, I'm working in data analyst. I'm learning AWS solutions architect in cloud. I don't know Python. Is it mandatory to does current package depends for future company? Python is good to have, Kirtana. So make sure you are having Python in your resume, right? So definitely. Any other questions? By the way, I enrolled in 6.0, where we will get the class link. Class links will be getting to your email ID just before the class. You can wait for the class to start. Don't worry. Don't get panic. You can wait for the classes to start. And those who have enrolled, guys, please be active on this platform. This is your community page where you can be very much active, right? And you can see how our students are getting placed. You all see, hey DevOps, I have cleared Verizon interview for engineer to DevOps with 112% hike on my current CTC. in TCS with add-on benefits like shares and joining bonus. And see how many students are commenting congratulations, 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 right? And see guys, we are not telling anything lie. We don't want any person to tell lie, and that is what you see. Our students are helping each other to grow, right? And there are many testimonials like this on our feed section. On our, you can come here, post your queries, post your doubts, post your chat, and definitely we are going to help you, right? So don't worry. How many of you are from 6.0 batch? How many of you are 6.0 and watching me live? Yes, we are going to cover 6.0, the Python also. Yes, you can see here. What about serverless? Serverless we are not going to cover. Sir, I have 7 years of experience in automobile. Can I apply for? No, you cannot apply as an experienced candidate. You have to apply as a fresher, right? How many of you have joined 6.0, guys? Give me a yes. And any questions? By the way, you all are my precious family now. Tell me what queries you have. 6.0 students, what queries you have? Tell me. Anita, you have enrolled. Hi, Praveen. Can we get previous discount on the course price? No, Sunny, because that price was to the early bird students. So as of now, you get 65% off. If you want to enroll, you can enroll. I am from batch 6.0. Okay, great. Hi, Bhaiya. I have enrolled your upcoming batch. I want to talk to you. Yes, talk. Sahinur, just wait. After this live, we will be talking. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, total experience. If you are into IT domain, you can consider as a total experience. But if you are into other domain, then it will be different, right? Okay. Let's see like what are the things we have. How could you suggest to pace the course during the weekdays? Weekdays, you need to work on yourself. Whatever the assignments I give, whatever the projects I give, whatever the interview questions I give, whatever the notes I give, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are the things that you are going to do, right? Will you cover Azure and security part? No, Ashwin, we are not going to cover. In order to crack product-based companies, what are the key elements to practice? Only the key element to practice is your projects, okay? One of the important thing which I personally feel if you want to place yourself in the product-based companies is the projects which you are going to work. And I'm openly challenging to all my students, if any mentor around this community circle or any mentor who has given this kind of placements, 40 plus LPA placements, and he's openly telling to every student that, yes, my students have got placed with Bank of America, BOFA, fresher have got placed in Hocalware, Equilabs, Amazon, Cisco, Adobe, all those students are with me, right? I'm giving open challenge to you. Show me the person who is giving you 40 plus LPA in today's time, right? Yes, Ronak is telling 4.0, great. But I want to chat with you personally. RMG DBA, you can talk with me. Okay, guys, let's see now what are the things that you are going to have in the 6.0, right? So one more important thing. Now, all of you open this link. All of you open this link, guys. All of you open this link. I want to join. Yes. Now, those who want to join 6.0, right? Open this link with me and let's make you walk through one by one on this complete page. Open this link. All of you have opened this link. Just listen to my words, whatever I am telling. Great, Siddhant. Great. Yes. Hi, Praveen. I have enrolled in your 6.0 batch. I'm from mechanical engineer graduate. Since then, I was working for manufacturing till December. Then I left job due to personal reasons. I'm learning full stack development with Scalar. I'm not sure whether I can get a job through this course. Akshay, see, full stack development you have joined. Again, you are joining DevOps. And you have graduated in 2018, I would suggest if you completely focus on my course, then it will be a good, helpful to you, right? So all of you guys, again, I am telling, so now what is the thing that you are going to get from the 6.0? You are going to get 14 plus real-time projects, 3 plus hours of code teaching. You're going to get doubt screening session, extra assignments and bonus sessions, everything. And obviously your prizes are going to go ahead because we have been waiting for everyone to join. Now tell me guys, again, I'm going to tell you, we have 5 seats for today's session. And with this 5 seats, we are going to increase the price. As of now, the price is at 4500 with whooping 65% off. Those who want to enroll when I am in live can enroll yourself, right? I'm not talking about the enrolled students. I'm talking about the people who wants to enroll. Where can I find the community platform? Anusha, the community platform is right above your purchase tab, there will be feed section. You can join the feed section. This is your community page. All of you, this will be your community page. This will be your community page. Please join here, right? So once you join, you will be able to understand that how much important it is, right? Please join here. Okay. And you see how the students are actually helping themselves, right? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? We have various kinds of events going here. So all of you, please try to understand what we are trying to do, right? And you see, for every question, we have an answer with the students. And you see, people are very much sharing their journey, their salary structure, how and where they can apply, all those things, right? So I want everyone to be with me. Yes, support role also you can be part of. Don't worry about that. Support role also you can do. Community link I have shown you. Programming language is not needed, but only thing is important is that you need to understand how the coding is done, right? Very important. You need to know coding, how the coding is done. Okay, people on LinkedIn, are you all with me? Any questions now before you enroll? Any questions, guys? Any questions to me? Praveen, I have this doubt. Praveen, I have that doubt. Any questions? Any questions? Where can I find the community link? In your course section. About that feed section will be there. Hi sir, I'm fresher. Should I have to DSA and aptitude? No, DSA. See, it again depends. If you want to learn DSA, you can do it. If you don't want to learn DSA, you don't like coding, you can join the DevOps and you can learn it. What about Groovy and Golang? We are covering Groovy, not Golang. What would be the session timings? Session timings are from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is clearly what you can get here. 14 plus real-time projects. Jan 20th, we are starting the classes, 2+ months of class, live Saturday and Sunday, and 8 p.m. doubts clearing session. You have the course validity with recordings, class notes, project documents, interview questions, resume templates, mock interviews. All the things are here. Okay, guys, last 4 seats left with 65% off. Now, please go ahead and enroll yourself if anyone is enrolling or planning to enroll. Yes. No, DSA is, see, for a DevOps engineer, depends on experience, right? Now, Azure DevOps, we are not covering. We are only covering AWS DevOps, right? Any questions from LinkedIn people? Let's see what are the LinkedIn people are telling. Let's see. Like, people on LinkedIn are always silent. They are like silently watching me every time. How many people are here? यार ये LinkedIn में दिखाता भी नहीं है live क्या है. Let's see, like, how many people are there? Can you all ping, like, how many people are watching us on LinkedIn? 41 people are watching. That's good, right? So that should be good, right? Okay, any other question? I have good experience in GCP. Do I need to switch to AWS for this course? Simran, if you have GCP, that's completely good. If you want to learn AWS, then it will be good. Yes, one more week to start the course. That is what I am also excited, right? And we have 1 week left. Those who want to enroll at 4550, and again, an open challenge to everyone. The lowest price challenge I am going to give you. The lowest price challenge. If you get anywhere in the community this much price, you can come and ask me that, Praveen, this is the least price. This is the more price. Okay, you can ask. How the recordings are available? Recordings are available in the website itself, guys. Once you log in, under each of the module, you will be getting the recordings. Once the class is completed on the same day, the recordings will be available. How many of you are eagerly waiting for 6.0? Now, with smileys, you can show your interest. Whatever the smileys you want, you can keep it. And I know that this is going to be blast. And obviously, please take the screenshot. This is what we have learned for 0 to 1 year of experience. How many pages of resume you can create? What is the package you can expect? What projects you can keep it? 2 to 5 years, same thing. 6 to 11 years, same thing. And 12+ years, who is a manager, the same thing you can go with, right? And yes, please show your support for 6.0. How many of you are ready, by the way? Like 6.0. 6.0, guys, how many of you are ready? 6.0, where are the people? How is the Josh? Josh should be high so that we are going to crack with the same Josh, the companies which are there for us. Naseeb mein jo hoga, wo milega. Definitely, we are going to see like how many students from 6.0 are going to get jobs, right? Ready? Join 6.0, 6.0. So many hopes. Yes, definitely, we are going to kill. And I hope you all are going to get jobs. Yes, No, previous batch recordings you will not get, but definitely whatever you get, you will get it. Karthik, great. Any other smileys you want to keep it? Yes. Yes, Prince is telling yes. Kirta, okay, Lakshmi Deepika. Okay, I have seen many times your name. Great. RMGDBA. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. RMGDBA. Join Patil. Great. Patil, that's nice. I'm excited. Lokesh is telling excited. People on LinkedIn very much silently. They are like silent watchers. Every time when I do live, people on LinkedIn are like silent. LinkedIn live is 2 minutes. Oh, is it? Okay, we're not. Great. Okay, Sanjay, that's great. That's great. That's great. Nice. Great. Yes, Sahinur, wait karna. मैं StreamYard link दूंगा. We will talk there. Okay. Okay, great. Nice. Now I have seen so many students excited. Mahidur, any other questions, guys? If 6.0 students don't have any questions, I'll be taking the next people questions. Any questions? Because you all are my Prime members now, like Amazon Prime, Netflix Prime. You all are Singam Prime people now. Okay. You said 14 plus projects are there, industry level projects. If yes, then how can someone do many projects? Yes, correct. Soumint, that is very true. We will be doing industry level projects, and all the projects are from my previous organizations. And you need to cope up with the projects. That's why you have joined my batch, right? So that is what the importance is. Hi, sir. How to tackle cloud migration question? Yes, we will discuss in the 6.0 class, Ravina. When we are trying to say 6 to 11 years of experience, you mean pure 6 to 11 years into cloud DevOps? Experiment? No, total years, Rutvik. I didn't mean 6 to 11 into SRE and DevOps. I meant like anywhere in DevOps and SRE, along with that other domain also. I have doubts before joining batch. Suresh, hi Praveen, I have joined 6.0, have 10 months of career gap. Is it possible to get DevOps in 2 months? I'm very worried and struggle to get job. See, you have 10 months of career gap. That's completely less. I hope you have seen how our students have got placed with confidence, by the way. See, when he got laid off, guys, all of you see here, when this guy got laid off, on 31st October 2023, okay, 31st October 2023, he got job by December 12, 2023. Even I have his WhatsApp number, and we usually talk like what are the scenarios, what are the things that he's trying to do. Okay, last 3 seats left. If anyone is going to join, last 3 seats left with 4550. Again, I am telling, you can enroll yourself and then you can watch all those things. Yes, few of the projects are there. Once you join, you will be able to see this one, right? Few of the projects are there. Patil, right? Yes, beginners can take the course provided you have the confidence to complete all my projects, all my assignments, all my class notes. And of course, the projects will be a little bit tough. Again, I'm giving a heads up to the freshers. The projects are real time, so it will be a little bit difficult, right? But you will be able to cope up because I will be giving the documents, step-by-step documents. I'll be showing you in the class. So don't worry about that, right? Hi, Praveen. How about someone who got just started into ITIL? Yes, I told you, Sonia, right? I have answered your question. So don't worry about that. One of the simplest thing is you can definitely change your domain with the projects that I have with me. And you already have seen how confident I'm talking. What is the Josh? How we are able to crack those many companies, how my students are able to get placed in these companies, and all those things you are able to see. I think that should be making sense, right? Great. Can I? Okay, sir, I am a BTech second year student still now. I not learn any coding language and don't know any project. So guys, BTech freshers, second year, third year, I'm frankly telling, the projects are on higher level. Oh my God, join Walmart this week. Patil, that's great. And congratulations, by the way, right? That's good. Now, everyone, I'm telling one thing. For freshers and experience, please try to understand that these projects are a little bit on a heavier side. So make sure you are going to attend all the live sessions, all my assignments, all my projects you are going to complete. And you have to promise me that you are going to cover everything. Right? How many of you will promise me that in 6.0 you are going to cover all the projects? Now, how many of you are confident, by the way, like 14 plus projects in 2 months? How many of you are confident, by the way? How many of you are confident? I don't know, like how many of you are confident. And again, I'm telling, last 4 seats left, guys, last 4 seats left. And once you have enrolled, please give your name here. You have to give a name with hashtag just enrolled. Okay, with hashtag just enroll, so that I can call out your name, okay? And I can reduce the seats like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that is the structure we'll be calling. I am confident I will be your best upcoming package. Great. That is what confidence we need, right? Confident. That's great. Okay, all of you, once you have enrolled, like today in this live, those who have enrolled, please put a comment as just enrolled, and I will be calling out your name and I will be making sure I'm able to understand. Abdullah Sheikh, what is your question? I have not seen Abdullah Sheikh. Just now I have seen your question. Please tell your question. Yes, Bharat, that's great. Hi, Praveen. I have enrolled in 6.0. I have an experience in 2.0. I hope. Yes, great, Mahidar. I have seen you have put many comments. That should be good. Okay, anyone, those who is enrolling, please tell your name. Enrolled, Carlos, I know you are, I think, very long back. I have seen that you have enrolled, right? So that is good thing. Great. Mohan DBA got enrolled. Great. Yes, both we are trying to do. DevOps and SRE are these projects. SRE project will be this project, and few other projects are there for SRE. SRE is basically monitoring, reliability, performance, all those things we'll be talking about. Bro, I have joined 6.0. I have 1 year of experience in software development. I need to be the DevOps engineer like you, Praveen. Great. Thanks a lot. Okay. How many people now those who have enrolled now, I want their names so that I can reduce the count, guys. Like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ऐसे करके चलेंगे, right? Great. I've just enrolled Sridhar. Last 3 seats left, guys. Last 3 seats left. Now, those who want to enroll, they can again be the part of people into front end and or back end with experience how to approach interviews with 6.0. Now, with front end or back end, you will be learning DevOps with me and SRE with me, right? And also you are going to see all the real-time projects. With that, we will be able to cover, right? No, Bharat, we are not going to cover any performance or load testing. Whatever there in the projects, we are going to cover that, right? Okay, sure. We have the community, right? So guys, we have the community with us. So no, don't go anywhere. This is the community where you can talk. Yes. Hi team, I have joined 6.0. Please provide prerequisites. Okay, beautiful guys. Everyone, this is what the question I was talking about. Prerequisites, all of you, once you have joined, you will be able to see the documents are attached. Now, how many of you have seen the documents? How many of you have seen the documents on the website? How many of you have seen the documents on the website, guys? How many of you have seen the documents on the website? Yes, Ankur, we will be talking definitely. You can claim up to 15 years of experience, Suresh. That is what you all have seen, right? Documents. So please go over the documents. The interview questions are there. The mock interviews, resume sessions. Great. Sunny Sharma. Great. So once you have enrolled, guys, you have to tell me with a title, just enrolled. I will be taking out your name. This is what you need to keep it. Just enrolled. Okay. I have 6 months of experience in DevOps. Yes, Vishnu, for you. Here it is. Fresher job. You see here. Hi, sir. I am Prashant Goswami, batch 5. And today I got my first offer of 5.5 LPA. Previously, I was at 4.5 LPA. I have 1 year of experience, 6 months of internship and 6 months FTE. And I got an offer from 𝐂𝐨𝐿 Labs Private Limited, right? And he was seeking my help. So he mailed me and I was able to help him. And he was very happy person. Okay. Clear? Great. Sridhar is telling just enroll. Last 3 seats left, guys. Last 3 seats left. So those who want to enroll yourself, when you say 2 months and that too only on weekends, how much time we need to invest during the weekdays for our assignments? We are ready to give 100%. That is what I was telling, right? So one of the important thing is you need to understand that you need to spend your 2 months to Hey DevOps. Okay, all of you, I'm again telling you need to spend your 2 months to Hey DevOps. Then only you will be able to overcome the challenges, overcome the data, overcome whatever you want to become, right? So that is what I am looking for. So, okay, last 2 seats left, guys. Last 2 seats left, and then we will be talking to the students. Okay, Tamil dubbed. Tamil Dub has enrolled. Bro, please give your name, yaar. I need to know your name also, right? I need to know your name also, right? Is an option to download recording in email? Is option to download? No downloads. Great. Rehan has enrolled himself. Last 2 seats left. We are with you. Let's ready to rock from 20th onwards. Great. I am technical support service desk and I have basic understanding of DevOps, just very basics. Do you think my current role will be a problem? Current role will not be a problem. If you are going to work hard and complete my 14 projects with me, then it will be good, or else it will be difficult for you, right? Great. Praveen, what are the prerequisites to join your batch? No prerequisites, guys. This is beginner friendly, but it's just like that. You need to focus more. You need to work hard more. You need to spend your 2 months to me. That is one request. And if you get any doubts, we have community manager support. You can see here. This is what the community manager support will be, right? And you have a feed section, dedicated feed section. This is how the feed section will be looking, where you can come and talk with your friends. You can ask any of the queries, right? So all those things can be done here. You can post the job openings also, right? So make sure you are doing all those things, right? Any other queries you have, guys? Great. And one more thing, guys, we have both Android and Apple apps available. You all can go ahead in the Android store and download the app. You all can go in the Play Store and download the app, and Apple Store also. Okay. Once you have enrolled, please download the app so that when you are going, when you are traveling, all those things you can learn and see. Can you brief about DevOps coins? Good question. Okay. How many of you have seen, by the way, DevOps coins? Let's see how much this Mandar is having DevOps coins. 501 Hey DevOps coins. Okay. So these are the coins which are actually redeemable when you are a member of this platform, right? So once you enroll in the course, you will, and once you be active on the feed section, now you see Mandar has posted some data, right? So in the backend, for every post, you get coins, and you see Hema Nagendra is taking 2.11K, right? 2.53K coins with him. So he can use this coins later as a redeemable coins. Okay. So all those things are there. Yes, it is basics to advanced. Great, Prashant Chilukuri. Nice to see you, brother. Nice to see you. Last 1 seat left, guys. Last 1 seat left. And then we will be talking with everyone who is here in the class. Okay. What kind of networking concepts we need to expertise being a cloud support? See, cloud engineer mostly targets on what are the networking part, what are the, okay, networking I will be covering here. Primarily, I will be covering in the Red Hat Linux system administration. So you would not see here networking, but you can see here gateway, Linux systems, and IP addresses, networking, system tuning, all those things we are going to cover in Red Hat Linux system administration. Clear? Yes, Banne has asked good question. Many students have got placed, but among those, we have taken all the students' placements to here. So you can see here how many students have got placed. Laid-off got placed, Bank of America got placed, 42 LPA, 40 LPA, fresher got placed, job with 5 years got placed, 30 LPA, Adobe got placed, Walmart, a mother got placed into Walmart, right? Amazon cloud support engineer, and these are like 200% hike. Siddharth Kalagati, 200% hike. Rackspace, I also cleared Rackspace, 4 rounds. I am from Canada. Will you add me in WhatsApp? So people are telling like Canada Red Hat, right? So you see, hey DevOps, holy God, from morning I am trying, I got now, but still Docker is showing error. What to do, solve this error? Like these are some of the students. 2 offers, as discussed. Currently I have 2 offers. I was from batch 4. So you see here how the students are helping and getting help from various kinds of things. That is what actually Josh is high. That is what Josh should be high. Okay, Josh should be high. No, guys, we will not show 14 plus projects. We will only show 3 projects in our resume according to the statistics which we have discussed. Okay, this is our simple statistics which we have followed. Okay, isse bahar no. Only this we will follow. I hope you are, how many of you have taken the screenshot? 1, 2, or at least take the photo in the phone if you are using laptop, because this is important, right? Please take photo in the phone. Okay, all of you have done. Okay, last 1 seat left, guys. Who want to be that lucky person? And then we will be talking with everyone. Yes, Banne 5.0 is completed long back. ठीक है? Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Meghna, great. Hi, Meghna. Josh, hi. Okay, last one seat left. Who wants to be lucky person? And once you have said enroll, you can type like just enroll. And this is an open challenge to everyone. Okay, open challenge to everyone is that if you get least price than this, if you get like least price than this, at the same time, if you get what is that, like mentor who is providing you these kind of packages in his wall of fame, in his placement stories, and also the mentor where the students come and talk live. You can see here my students have come live and talk with me in the last live. I don't know how many of you have seen, but you can see here, see how my students are coming. So this is what Prashant is. So I should not reveal the name, but just I am telling all the students, these some students are from 4.0, 5.0, and from all over the world, right? So you can see from all over the world how our students are here, right? And you can understand like from all over the world we have students and we are helping them to get placed, right? Right? No, Abdullah, after 6.0, you need to have front end at the same time DevOps also. Okay, don't remove anything from your resume. Last questions. Approximately how many sessions will be there? Weekly 2, so 16 plus almost like 30, close to 30 sessions you will have. Okay, Banne Sujit. Okay, at least 20 plus session, 25 to 30. If someone wants to do 6.0 course through recordings because of no time, also cannot attend QA sessions of current batch, can they join next batch QA session? What is the batch 7.0? 7.0 we are not sure, Soumit. So as of now, there is 6.0 only, and you have to be in the 6.0. Every student login is different. Okay, I am getting 6 LPA in service based. Will product based consider this and will offer CTC on this, or this doesn't matter for product based? I'm having 6 LPA. No, there is no anything. No, people will not consider your 6 LPA or service based. If you are clearing your company product based, then they will match you the offer that they have to give you, right? Even I was from service based organization. If you see my LinkedIn, all of you see my LinkedIn, I was from Infosys when I started my career. So I never bothered about whether I am in a service based or a product based, right? So if you see all my 6 experiences, right, this is what your mentor holds the experience. 2016 senior systems engineer, DevOps engineer to Verizon. Then I joined Upgrad where I was teaching DevOps. Then I joined Walmart. Then I was a mentor. Then I am a YouTuber and I'm still continuing that. And obviously you all know that we have started Hey DevOps also, where students have got placed all over the world. And you can see this page also if you have any doubts, where we have close to 4,000 followers. And you can see here how people are acknowledging each other, how the placements are, right? How the testimonials are, what are the success stories, right? And how freshers have got jobs, how the previous students have got jobs. So these all things are about real-time expectations, real-time experiences we need to follow. Okay, so make sure you all are with me, right? And I'm not telling anything lie, because your fresher has every person have cracked jobs. So you all can see that how confident we are. And this is what some of my teaching skills, like I went into various universities, I teach, right? And that is how. And if you see the recent post also, like I have given my Walmart interview questions today. I don't know how many of you have seen, but I hope if at least 10% of you are going to give me the answers of this, then it will be very good. Okay, I'm not sure how many of you are going to give the answers, but I'm telling you that these all things, whatever I have cracked, Walmart, Amazon, SAP, Informatica, all those questions will be to you. So this is what some of my photos where I was teaching. Okay, so yes, so your mentor is, yes, that is what we are going to tell, right? So don't worry about that. Okay, I am in mainframe support, want to switch to DevOps, will my experience count? Yes, your experience will be counting, and we will be telling that in mainframe you were just like a normal student. Okay, yes. Okay, any other questions? Any other questions? I can see. Okay, I can see job support means resume reviews, mock interviews. Yes, Hariharan is asking what is job support. Resume reviews, mock interviews, your job portals, your projects which I'm going to give you, your resumes, projects, roles and responsibilities, class notes, all those things comes under job support, right? So that is what we are going to give. Praveen, if we join batch 6.0 and unable to grasp all the concept, then can we attend? No. Suresh, every student login is different. So that is what I am telling, right? So every student login is different. Great. Swapnil Singh is the one person who has enrolled, right? So great, Swapnil, just enroll. Okay, let's talk. Let's see. Any other questions? Now I'm asking one more time. Any other questions you have, guys? Sir, how will be mock interview? Mock interview will be for all the students, those who are giving me the resumes, right? So don't worry. Once you join, you will be able to see like how we are going to cover the mock interviews, how we are going to cover the various kinds of important things, the data points and everything. Okay, clear everyone? Yes. What is the importance of programming language in DevOps? Does company expect fresher to have good knowledge of programming? Yes. Not programming, by the way. Company will expect you to have Python. Company will expect you to have almost like shell scripting, Groovy scripting, and all those things. Dilip, yes, I know you. I have seen you, right? I have seen you. Okay. Now, okay. Thanks for answering. Yes, Hariharan. Great. Can I tell my 4+ years of experience as DevOps? I had obviously learned that much and I clear an interview. Whatever my profile, I need to tell as DevOps. Are good product based in Pune. If I get remote, it will be great. See, as of now, don't tell I want to go to remote opportunity. I want to go to product based. I want to go to service based. If you don't have any job, take the job. That is what our first agenda is. If you don't have any job, take the job. If you are a fresher, go try for product based, service based. That is good. If you are in a service based, try for product based, right? So that is what. Very simple. Great. Sauvik, I know you. I have seen you. So don't worry. Yes, I have seen you. Great. Okay. Praveen, in your live session, can we? Yes. Live session doubts are also there. Doubts clearing session are there. So I think you have not seen. We have doubts clearing session also. Okay, doubts clearing session, right? And in our live class also, there is a particular dedicated time which students have to tell me like what particular time slot you have to go ahead and see me, and that is where. Okay, guys, one last enrollment. We are waiting for batch 6 at 4550 cost, and we are going to get blast. Have some questions? Can we talk? Okay, now those who want to talk with me, I'm going to give the link to you. Please come on the StreamYard link. Okay, those who want to talk with me. And last one, enrollment, guys. Those who want to talk with me can join the StreamYard link. I will be accepting you. Okay. And meanwhile, those who want to, please, sir. Yes, great, Muthu. I have seen you. And Muthu and everyone, guys, see, when some, okay, tell me one thing. I will ask a straight question to you. One simple thing, guys. Okay. If you do the hard work, God will be with you. This is one line statement I'm going to give you, right? And second thing is, if you get any other mentor with this much cost, least price, I'm happy you go and learn with them. Third thing, if any of the mentor who has given you this kind of placements better than me, you can learn with them. This is what my challenge, open challenge is. Okay. So Sunny, I am taking you live. Yes, you are live, Sunny. And yes, one last enrollment, guys. Anyone wants to join, you can join. Sunny, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, Praveen.
Yes, hi, Sunny.
Praveen, I have 4.5 years of experience, and after April, I'm not working. Actually, I was
After
laid
Apple,
off.
you were working in
Yeah.
Apple.
Sorry?
You were working in Apple company.
No. I mean after April month. In
April.
2020.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
After
Go
April
ahead.
month 2023, I'm not working. I attended multiple interview on DevOps part. I was able to clear few rounds, like 2 rounds in some companies. I cleared 3 rounds, but I'm not getting call after final round. So I don't know what's the issue. Maybe I'm asking for more package as per their.
No.
Or
See, more package. Always. See, I am in your position, right, Sunny? You are
yeah.
confident person. What I can understand is you have gone till last round, and from there you are not getting calls. Means always start with 30% hike. See, a company never gives first package itself 100%, right? And first take the least package. At least have the offer, यार कि मैं confident हूँ, I can do it, right? तो वो thought रहना चाहिए आपको. First take the basic offer what you get. 30 से 50, 50 से 70, 70 से 90, 90 से 100. 100 से लाइक यू ऑल्सो चेक द स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ द कंपनी. आप यहाँ पे चले जाइए, लाइक गूगल पे आपको मिल जाएगा, ग्लासडोर पे मिल जाएगा, ब्लाइंड ऐप में मिल जाएगा, राइट? सो नेवर आस्क लाइक आप कितने परसेंटेज पूछ रहे हो मेरे को पता तो नहीं है, बट डोंट आस्क हाई पैकेजेस. दैट इज व्हाट सिंपल. ठीक है.
ओके. अनदर थिंग लाइक अभी मैंने आपका ये कोर्स एनरोल भी किया है.
बढ़िया.
जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स अगो आई एनरोल्ड फॉर इट. सो इसमें मुझे मतलब मैं एज्योर पार्ट पे वर्क कर रहा था पहले. अभी
ठीक है.
मैं डेवऑप्स पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. तो एज्योर एंड डेवऑप्स पे कंबाइन करके मैं प्रोसीड करना चाहता हूँ. तो
हाँ.
अभी मैंने प्रीवियस आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह भी देखे. तो उसको आप AWS पे करवा रहे थे, बट आई वाज इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट ऑन एज्योर. सो
बढ़िया.
आई वाज एबल टू डू इट.
बढ़िया.
तो वो मैं करना चाह रहा था. उसमें मुझे कितना सपोर्ट होगा आपके कोर्स को अटेंड करके, ये मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें
यार तुम तो ऑलरेडी एज्योर में काम कर रहे हो, तुमको तो क्या ही दिक्कत होगा उसमें करने में, राइट? सिंपल सी बात है यार. जैसे मैं AWS में एक्सपर्ट हूँ, मेरे को एज्योर भी करना आता है अभी. ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही होगा. जैसे मैंने वो एज्योर का प्रोजेक्ट दिखाया था टेराफॉर्म के साथ, राइट? यूट्यूब में अगर आपने देखा होगा, एज सिंपल एज दैट. उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. बढ़िया. थैंक्स सनी. आई थिंक दैट वाज ग्रेट डिस्कशन. ठीक है. तो एनी अदर पर्सन लाइक आई सी. ओके, ऐड टू स्टेज. अंकुर को कॉल आ गया भाई.
एक सेकंड.
अच्छा ठीक है, तुम लाइव में हो, म्यूट करके बात करना है या फिर मैं तुम्हें हटा देता हूँ. क्या बोलते हो?
कर रहा हूँ आपको बात. आप हिंदी समझ रहे हैं ना मेरी?
हाँ समझ रहा हूँ.
एक्चुअली क्या है कि मैं 2016 में पास आउट हूँ मैं प्रैक्टिकल से.
ठीक है.
सिंस देन मैं उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा था.
ठीक है. हाँ हाँ.
फिर मैंने फ्रंट एंड में कुछ मेरे को नॉलेज है थोड़ी बहुत के बारे में, लेकिन मैंने बहुत लोगों से बात करा तो वो कहते हैं कि गैप बहुत हो गया है और अब शायद तुम अब जा डाउट है क्या मैं कोर्स को ज्वाइन करने के बाद क्या मुझे जॉब मिलेगी भी कि नहीं मिलेगी इस इंडस्ट्री में.
आप कितने साल के मतलब कितने साल का गैप है? आप कब पास आउट हुए हो?
2016 से ऑलमोस्ट 7 इयर्स का हो जाएगा.
तो मैं 2016 से पास आउट हूँ. देखिए मैं सच बताता हूँ, ठीक है?
2016
जॉब मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी वो अलग बात है. ठीक है. मैं ये भी नहीं बोल सकता कि मैं जॉब मिलेगी, मैं ये भी नहीं बोल सकता नहीं मिलेगी. टू बी ऑनेस्ट बहुत डिफिकल्ट है यार. देखो अभी कंपटीशन बाहर इतना टफ है, जो सही सही प्रोजेक्ट्स करके निकलता है उन्हीं को जॉब मिलती है. ठीक है. तो मैं ये बोलूंगा, आप ये मत सोचना कि जॉब, देखो आपने अभी तक जो भी किया वो अपने बलबूते पे किया, राइट? फ्यूचर अगर आपके हाथ में, आप सोच रहे हो कि जॉब चाहिए, तो मैं बोलता हूं कि अगर आपको डेवऑप्स पढ़ने की चाह है, आपको कुछ करने की चाह है, इसमें जॉब पाने की चाह है, तो आप एनरोल कीजिए. डेफिनेटली हेल्प होगी, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस दूंगा जो मैंने कंपनीज के साथ क्रैक किया है, राइट? वॉलमार्ट, एडोबी, Amazon, सारे कंपनीज मैंने क्रैक करे हैं, तो मेरे को पता है कि क्या करने से क्या, कैसे इंटरव्यू में बैठेंगे. अब ये अगर आपको चाहते हो तो आप डेफिनेटली एनरोल कर सकते हो. जॉब सेकेंडरी है, ठीक है? तो मैं उस पर कमेंट नहीं करूंगा. बहुत सारी रास्ते हैं जॉब पाने के लिए, तो उस पर भी मैं कमेंट नहीं करूंगा. आपको पता होगा वो सारी चीजें. ठीक है. तो ऐसे करके हम लोग को देख लेंगे कि क्या होगा उसके बाद. बट हाँ, अगर आप पढ़ना चाहते हो अच्छी तरह से, देन यू कैन एनरोल. ठीक है.
ओके.
ठीक है. थैंक यू. चलो. यस, सौविक इज हियर. सौविक, चलो बात करते हैं सौविक से.
हाय प्रवीण.
हाय सौविक, कैसे हो?
हाय, अच्छा है.
बोलो बढ़िया.
वेरी इंटरेस्टेड टू टॉक विद यू.
अभी देखो हिंदी में बात की, एक कमेंट आ गया, इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं. बोलो.
Okay. So, I working as a software developer. So, as you know, I am from the code development part, working as a PHP developer started and having 6 years experience almost. So, many more senior guys also advise me that you should learn DevOps tools and add your portfolio all the DevOps expertise. So, my questions is that if I completed the project side by side for the DevOps which you provided and prepare as per your guidance. So when I try for the any big companies, MNCs, maybe 3-tier companies, whatever. So should I judge there as a software engineer or for the DevOps roles? So what should be the right path?
For companies, the title matters. Like in Walmart, I was software development engineer 3, but I was working in DevOps. Okay. So ideally what happens is, right, the SDE role, development engineer role, has a better salary than your DevOps roles, because DevOps, in the sense like companies divide the roles to make the packages equivalent, right? Like थोड़ा उसको बढ़ा दिया, थोड़ा इसको नीचे कर दिया, तो उनके हाथ में वो चीज होती है, बट सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट रूल्स आर गुड लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेवऑप्स, ठीक है। तो वॉलमार्ट ही आपका एग्जांपल हो जाएगा उस चीज पे। और until you get a job, don't think about यार I should go into DevOps, I should go into SDE. No, you should get a job with good package is your only main criteria, ठीक है।
So I mean, should I apply on the particular development role or the DevOps role? Where can I apply? Where should I apply?
You have to apply for the DevOps role, DevOps and SRE roles, not development, ठीक है। Okay, so DevOps and SRE are main thing, and also cloud support roles you can also apply like Amazon, right?
Okay, so they also consider my previous development experience, right, over there?
They will consider. Okay, thanks Souvik.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. So that was Souvik, guys. Okay, so yes, again I have also taken Anil, you want to go ahead? You can unmute yourself.
Yes, Praveen.
Yes, how are you, Anil?
Yeah, fine. Praveen, Telugulo మాట్లాడొచ్చా?
No bro, you have to speak in English, otherwise we will get so many comments now.
Okay, friend, very small question.
Yes.
Sorry. I want to learn like I know like basics of shell scripting. So I have three confusion like I have to learn Ansible or shell scripting or Python scripting.
You have to learn all
like three compulsory.
All three. Very important as of now. If you see 2024, people are like fire. They want jobs. If they want jobs, you have to give them the best. It's not like whether I should learn Ansible, whether I should learn shell scripting, Python. No. What you need to crack for the interview, that I am going to teach. So very simple. You need to learn all these three. And check the syllabus. You will have everything what your doubt is. Okay?
Yeah, sure. And also, how much you have to learn a Python developer? I mean, Python language.
Only based on your experience. Suppose you are 2 to 5 years of experience, only scenario based we will cover. Suppose you are 5 to 8 years of experience, little bit of medium level lead code questions we will cover, like that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, that was people coming off to us and talking. So yes, I have talked with many of the people, and again I would like to tell you all that those who want to enroll in the Prime Batch 6.0, you can enroll. I'm still sharing the screen, I believe, right? So you can see here 4550 is the price, and anyone can enroll here, right? And class timings 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Doubts clearing session, 2 years validity, recordings, community access, and also 14 plus real-time projects. Bonuses: resume templates, interview questions, each project roles and responsibilities, mock interviews, feedback, tools, whatever you have learning. And along with that, my students have got placed into these companies, and you will get a certificate after completion. And apart from that, you are going to get a dedicated mentorship with this kind of placement support where people have got many jobs in all over the world. So you can be the next one. So yes, not daily 3 hours, it's weekend 3 hours, right? Okay. Any other questions? No, please put the questions in the chat. Hi Praveen Bo, I want to talk with you. I am 5 years non-IT job done, 2017 to 2022. Last date. If will it comes into DevOps, how will I explain this 1 year gap? Okay, so basically what happens, right? See, 2017 to 2022, you have to tell them genuinely, or you have to do some backstage work, which I cannot tell right now. I hope you know like what I'm talking about, but always like 5 years non-IT, at least you are in non-IT. I wanted to know what is that non-IT, whether you are in a support role, whether you are in a call center, BPO, right? So all those things. Okay, great. So I think Jyoti is here. Let's talk with Jyoti.
Hey, hi Praveen.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. I guess we have met before also in a grad course, if you remember. So I had done executive PG course from grad IIITB and DevOps only.
Great.
And currently I have actually a good number of experience. I have 16 plus year of experience, and I am in DevOps for last 6 year, I can say 5 to 6 year active. But my transition was, I was in QA in the same company, FIS only, and in the same product we were starting a new team DevOps role, and I started leading that team. So that's how it got transitioned.
Yes.
And post that, I understood that whatever we are doing, that is not a actual DevOps, which is in industry. We are just managing CI/CD and some Docker containerized things. Nothing apart from that.
Correct.
So that's why I started a course in Triple ITB for DevOps. But unfortunately, after that also, I didn't get much confidence.
I know
Mm.
that. I know that because see, that entire teaching is on other level. That is like, you can consider like, for I should not say like openly, but I hope you know, because you have much
I can
experience.
completely understand your
You can
point,
understand that,
Praveen.
and whatever they ask us to teach, that then that syllabus we have to follow. But
Yes,
here in
yes,
this
yes.
here in my course, it's completely different. And whatever the companies I have cracked in last 2 months, also I have cracked like Adobe, Zeta, Rubrik, like these are like top product based companies in Bangalore, with the only intention like those interview questions I can share, right? And if you see in my LinkedIn also, I regularly post on my Walmart
Yeah,
questions.
I follow you most of the
Yes,
time.
so you can understand like what exactly when you are becoming a director, because your next role is like, either if you're targeting like Walmart, you will be like SPM2, senior project manager 2, or a director position. 16 17 years are like director in Walmart, where your CTC is like more than 1 CR, like more than that, right? So for that, I always think like you should be having confidence, like how you have led a team, how you have completed the things, right? So I think if you need that kind of confidence with real time scenarios, real time projects, then you can join, because I have already given teachings for managers in my previous batches, right? Still I cannot see like managers are going beyond, and they have come to me like with a placement, but they are happy with what we have given to them. So I think that is what I have to tell to you, right?
So the same course will benefit me as well as a fresher. That is little bit confusing
Yes.
for me,
So
Praveen.
this course is, I have not taken in my mind whether a student is a fresher or anyone is an experienced. I
Mhm.
only talk about like job ready. Like, let's consider a simple example. Okay, I wanted to go with defense services when I was in BTech, like 2013-14. I want to join Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Army. So for that, I was continuously searching in Google, and I went to Delhi. In Gurgaon, there is Rajpal sir. Okay, I paid him some 10K amount. 15 days he
Mhm.
will be giving coaching, and in the coaching he will only teach how you have officer, how you have to give psychological test, your behavioral test, your group discussions. If some question comes, how you can tackle that. So I also go with that criteria only here, because I myself have cracked 20-30 companies. I'm very much confident ki no other mentor have done that.
Mhm.
Everyone is thinking that's completely different, but I'm openly telling no mentor have done the cracking of 30-35 companies, and I have all the offer letters with me, right? So that is what I meant. Like, job ready means what you need to get for a job. That is what I
No,
will be
no.
teaching.
I am following you for last 7, 8 months, more than that, Praveen. So I have full confidence that whatever you are doing, that
Yes.
is the best in market these days. I'm little bit confused about the content of this course, because you know that when you are taking an interview of an experienced person, especially 10 plus or 15 plus, the question, the type of question, the expectation of answer is completely different than
Hmm.
the when a fresher or 1 2 year experienced guy give answer, right?
Definitely.
The same
Yes.
question can answer
See,
for same question could be different and should
and
be different,
yes,
right?
exactly. And again, my suggestion to you is, you are already at a good position, and in a good organization, and also you have led a DevOps team. So, see, my thinking is, um, if you want to join, like you wanted to check, like what are the interview questions for an experienced 10 years person, and
Mhm.
what are the projects which I personally have done in Walmart, let's say chatbots, how a chatbot works. Because you being a director or you being a senior manager, you can tell proudly that, okay, I have asked my team to implement this, and they have integrated with Slack, and this bot
Mhm.
is helping the development teams to reduce the efforts, right? So you can tell all those things. If you are looking for those kind of things, then that is here. But yeah, whatever you have told is true. Like, for a director, the way of talking, the way of answering, because you all will be talking on cost optimization, budget allocation. You will be talking about how you have converted your team into successful, right? So all those things are
Mhm.
coming. think that is a different track altogether.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Jyoti. I think that's a good discussion. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your time. Yeah. Okay, so that was Jyoti, guys, and I think it's 9:29 p.m. I have taken most of your queries, questions, and I think I have answered all of your queries. I think, sir, doubt from architect DevOps, I want to switch. Is this fine? I think you are architect already, so I think you can join this course to learn on an advanced level. Like as I have told you, Divya, right? You can join, so that should be not possible. That should not be any issue to you, right? Yes, again, I'm telling Vishnu Keshwani, this is like job ready. So that is what. Okay, so that's all for today's 1.5 hour of session. I hope you have taken some notes out of it. We have obviously not talked about director salary here. And as I've told to Divya, it's more than 1 CR, 1 CR plus 1.5 CR they will be getting. Right, so we'll be not putting that bracket here. So all of this like 0 to 1 years, 2 to 5 years, 6 to 11 years, and 12 plus years. And yes, if anyone wants to enroll, you can enroll here going ahead. Right, and this is what you can be the part of this batch, and definitely it will be helping you. Okay, so thank you all for joining, and please take care going ahead. Meet you all in the 6.0, and yes, Vishnu, we will be talking later, so you can switch off your video, or yeah, I can as of now I can remove because it's in video, right? So thank you all for joining. I hope you have liked the session, and please continue to explore all the things wherever you get the learning opportunity. Do the learning and continue with your power, Josh. And yes, if you want to share this link with your friends, you can share, right? And you can also work on your skills. Okay, thank you all for joining. Please take care. Yes, thanks a lot. Bye. We'll be talking in another live session, right? So I have spent almost 1.5 hours, so don't want to take it ahead. So thank you all for joining. Please take care. Bye. This is Singham signing off. Okay. Yes, and one more thing, if you have any doubts, put it in the comment section of this YouTube live. Once the live is ended, it will be like a live video, right? You recorded video, you can put under that and I will be helping you. Okay, thank you all for joining. Please take care. Bye. Yeah.